Hello, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. Hope you're well. So I've got another unboxing video for you today, and we will be unboxing this quite large box. There we go. It is the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wireless Kit. So very briefly, I just want to touch on what is wireless mesh. So when it comes to your wireless networks, in very general terms, the most popular thing, particularly for people at home, is just to have the wireless being broadcast from their router. Sometimes that can cause a problem at home where there's not enough coverage throughout the house. So sometimes people might use a wireless extender. Now, extenders, in my experience, are a little bit flaky, a little bit ropey, a little bit unreliable. But it is one way to try and get better wireless signal throughout your house. But a smarter way of doing it is with some of these devices. And these devices, as I said, form what's called a wireless mesh. The idea is you place them around your home to almost create like a triangle effect. So I've got a 3-pack here, which we'll get into. And the idea is to locate them around the house to form almost like a triangle. So anywhere in the middle of the triangle, you're kind of guaranteed good wireless coverage and good wireless speeds. So that is the idea of a mesh system, is to create that little network to get rid of them wireless dead spots, to provide a really good solid single wireless network where it doesn't matter where you are in your home, if you place them correctly, you should always get the same kind of wireless speeds. That is the idea of them. So they're quite interesting little devices. So I've got these Deco, the S4 model to unbox. The reason I'm having a look at these ones, that I was having a look at these, and also there's a very similar model called the M4 model. They're just basically a bit taller, but from what I could tell, the specs are exactly the same as these ones, the S4, but these are slightly smaller and more compact. So that's why I went for these. So should we go ahead and we'll unbox these and see what we think? And I'll talk a little bit more about the specs. So here we go. It is quite a big box. I hope that's kind of coming through on the video, the way it fills the screen. It was a much bigger box than I was expecting when the delivery came, and these were only delivered about 15 minutes ago. Because the box was so big, I'd forgotten I'd ordered these because I wasn't expecting it to be that big. Okay, so I've taken them out of the box, and there we go. That is our TP-Link Deco S4, and 3 of them. So let's take one out and we'll have a look. So yeah, these are the slightly more compact ones. So it is like basically a cylinder, just a small white cylinder that can be no more than 15 centimeters tall. And they're very light is what I would say. I'm guessing in here, it's just purely quite a few aerials in there. So I'll take one out of this and we'll have a closer look at it and see what we think of the S4. So here we go. Okay, so here it is out of the packaging. So yeah, as I said, very light. I like the white with the contrast of the grey on the top and on the bottom. And all we've got, connection-wise, we've got a couple of gigabit Ethernet ports. Now, what they are for is one of these will need to be connected to your modem or router. And the most common way you're going to do that is via an Ethernet port. But what you can also do with these is, if you had a data cabled home, you can use your Ethernet ports, your Ethernet points, to connect in these. So these are permanently wired into your network, which would be a much more reliable and solid way of kind of plumbing these in, would be hardwiring them. They're obviously designed to be used standalone as well though. So just to stress, you don't have to wire them in. You can use them purely from a wireless perspective. And then all the only other connectivity down the bottom here where my finger is just a little power connection. So I'm sure there's a power lead in the box, which we'll come back to. But yeah, that is it unboxed. That is, I think, a really funky looking device. The other reason I wanted to have a look at these because I did think they look quite cool. They're not going to be kind of offensive in your home. And because all the aerials are concealed, it doesn't look like your home router with the aerials more often than not sticking out the back. It's very clean, obviously made of plastic, nice to touch though. But yeah, very light, a lot lighter than I was expecting for some reason. So there we go. In the box as well, just to show you, there is obviously my other 2 wireless access points, but I can see I've got a power adapter here as well. And obviously this will just be repeated 3 times, so I'm not going to go through each one. But let's just have a quick look at our power adapter for this. And it looks to be, yeah, it's a standard power lead, nice and clean, nice and simple. So that'll be our power for this. And then, yeah, like I said, on one of them, I envisage using the Ethernet port to connect it to my home router. And then the other ones, I'm not going to wire in. That's what I'm going to do to play with these, to test them out. I am going to do a full review of this, by the way. That's the reason I bought these, is to do a review video. So I will let you know. But this is purely the kind of unboxing and basic overview. So there we go with these Deco S4s. I'm just going to grab the box a second and just give you some of the specs on here. So in terms of the coverage, the area they can cover, it is claimed by TP-Link to cover up to 4,000 square foot, which is about 370 meters square. So that's quite a large distance, isn't it? I mean, it really should cover certainly your average home, you would have thought. You can connect up to 100 devices, which I think is plentiful for a product like this. You could have more than 100 devices at home, of course, but I'd hope not, for your own sanity. And yes, as we touched on, they do have the 4 gigabit Ethernet ports and dual band wireless speeds as well. And one thing I didn't mention is that this model is the AC1200s. So what that means is it's capable of 1200 megabits a second throughput through the wireless networks that it broadcasts. And these will broadcast on both 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz as well. So there we go. That is the unboxed TP-Link Deco S4. I will go away and start playing with these and experimenting and letting you know whether the products are, of course, actually any good and do what they say, because I was quite intrigued by them. Given the price point as well, these are, in my opinion, relatively cheap to a lot of other mesh products. I picked up this 3-pack. I got them on a special offer for 115 UK British pounds, but they average about 130 pounds normally. I will leave a link down below so you can check that out for yourself. And of course, prices do change over time, so bear in mind that's only accurate when I'm filming this video today. But yeah, do check them out if you're interested. They are, I would class them as a budget mesh setup, but based on the specs and what I've read about them, I've got high hopes for them, even given the cheap price tag. So yeah, I will check it out and let you know. But that is it for today. One thing I do need to mention, smash the like button for me. Please, please, please smash that like button. It really helps grow the channel, really helps us with the old YouTube algorithm, helps spread the word about our channel, so please do that. Please feel free to comment on the video and also use the comments with any questions that you've got for me. I do try and go through them all and get back to everybody, so please feel free to do that. And as ever, all of the links are down below to connect in with me on Twitter and LinkedIn and Instagram. If you prefer to connect over there and have a chat over there, please do. And yeah, please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions, and I will see you on the next video.